Hi everyone, hope you all are safe. I got many DMs on my Instagram as well as comments on my YouTube channel about my current views on the COVID crisis, the lockdown, the quarantine lifestyle, and many other issues, and how I am coping up with all these and keeping my sanity amidst this chaos. I too was thinking of making a talk to me video about it, as I felt an urge to speak to you about this. So we have already experienced several phases of lockdown: rising death toll, people losing their jobs, industries shut down. Worst of all, many of us are panicking, having anxiety disorders, and really fearing for what may come. What makes this panic so common is the uncertainty. The fact that we don't really know exactly how we'll be impacted and how bad things can be. But there are many things that you can do, even in the face of this unique crisis, to manage your fears and anxiety. I guess the first thing that we can do is separate our subjective experience from the objective truth or the state of pandemic. Many of us believe that this is the worst time ever and the world is about to end, and honestly, media is making it even worse. Trust me, they're just joining the dots over things like cyclone, COVID, locust attack, and whatnot, creating an image of mass destruction. But please do a little fact check, think from a broader perspective, see things in a larger time scale. Is this COVID pandemic really the worst of all? So far, the death toll worldwide is 400,000. It's really sad that so many people had to die. But just check this out. During the medieval times, the Black Death killed around 200 million in Europe. In the year 1918, the Spanish flu killed around 50 million. Do you see the scale of those pandemics? Just have a look at this. World's best scientists are working relentlessly to find a cure for this, a vaccination for this. Now, it will take time, but it's definitely not impossible. Say it might take up to 2 to 3 years, and until then, all we have to do is do these few things to protect us and our loved ones from getting infected or spreading it further. I'm sure these have already become our habits, like maintaining social distance, wearing masks, washing hands, sanitizing hands. Guys, please make sure that you follow these to the T. Also think about this. How much did or does the media talk about wars in the Middle East, civil wars in the West, and refugee crisis and casualties? These crises always existed. They are nothing new. It's just that some of us were not aware of any of these crises and we believe that things are okay. Still, if we consider the last few centuries, I think we're blessed to be born at this time. The world has seen worse, like beyond horrific. The Crusades, the World War I and II, the Holocaust, and the list is endless. I suggest we become aware of our past and not glorify our current sufferings. I'm not talking about personal experiences. This is always painful. One of my friends lost his mother. She was suffering from corona. But I think we must not punish ourselves thinking that we are doomed or unfortunate. Here are a couple of things which I think we must do. Stick to trustworthy sources. Step away from media if you feel overwhelmed. Learn a new skill from Udemy or Coursera. Learn a new language. Be better prepared for future. Look for the kind of jobs which will be in demand in the future, and then upgrade your knowledge accordingly. Guys, please stay home as much as possible, even if you don't feel sick. Meditate and exercise every day. I'm sure together we can end this crisis and get to the other side of this wiser, kinder, and more mindful of our actions. Okay, so that was it that I wanted to share, and yeah, I feel lighter, I feel good. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next video then. Also, don't forget to like, comment how you feel about this, situation. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.